Hi guys, this is Matthew again, and today is 2nd of August 2022. This is our 5th strategy for today. Happy new month everyone. So here we've logged in. We are still on the dTrader. Once to log into your deriv.app account, we're going to place 2 trades here because we are trading the digit matches / differ. So once you log in, you go to the top corner there, you click on the dTrader. So once you do that, you go to volatility. As under the synthetic indices, you go to volatility 25 1x index. Then you go to the trade type here, you come to the digit match / differ. So here our first trade will be 3-8. That's 3-8. 3-8. So you are going to click on 3, then our last position will be 8. So we are going to be clicking on the digits differ here. So let's just wait for the outcome of that trade. So you can see we won that trade. Then our last trade will be 1-6. Don't forget 3-8 and 1-6. That's 1-6. The ticks will be 1, then the last position will be 6. So we have to wait for just 2 or 3 seconds there before we place that trade. So okay, let's go. Okay, you can see we won both trades. These are the 2 trades. So you have to wait again for like 10 minutes before you proceed again. So just place those 2 trades, then you wait for like 10 minutes before you proceed again. So that's it guys. For those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER boat, this is the TOUCHSCALPER boat, and you can see it has been updated today, 1st of August 2022, and it's just 9.99 USD. To order the boat, all you have to do is to visit www.touchscaper.ctytechnologies.com.ng, and the PIPSREAPER boat rate has been updated today as well. To order the PIPSREAPER boat, you can see it's just 7.99 USD. These are the results today, 1st of August 2022. To order the boat, visit binary PIPSREAPER boat or ctytechnologies.com.ng, and don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. We'll be dropping over 7 strategies today across our 3 channels. So these are the links again. This is a link to order the PIPSREAPER boats, and this is a link to order the TOUCHSCALPER boat. We are going to paste all this in the video description on YouTube. This is a link to sign up for a free trading account for those who don't have a trading account. These are the links to subscribe to our channels. That's the first channel, this is the second channel, and this is the third channel. And this is a link to read written tutorials. Thanks for watching. Bye.